Hi, boys and girls. Good morning. So glad to see you guys today. Today, we are going to talk about being safe or safety. So, I want you to think about what tools do you have at home to be safe? For example, in the kitchen, we know that the stove can be very hot, right, boys and girls? And if you're not careful, if you're not safe, you can get burned, right? So I know one safety tool I use in the kitchen is an oven mitt. That way I do not burn my hand, right? So that's a safety tool that we use at home. Another safety tool that keeps me safe when I go outside are sunglasses. So this is important to use to keep my eyes safe. So today, boys and girls, we're going to learn about safety in a science classroom. Okay, so we're going to listen to a story online. It's one of my favorite stories. It's called Officer Buckle and Gloria. And Gloria is a little dog, and sometimes she gets into a little bit of trouble. Okay, so let's listen to the video.